Oh shit, dude. Look who's over in front of us. Look who's in front of us. Hey, fuck it. Go, go. Wait, he's gonna use C4, I bet. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm ready. I'm ready. You fucking cocksucker. Holy shit. He blew that fucker up. Go, 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 go. Oh, C4. Oh. No! Did he stick us? Okay, 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 go, 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 go. He's trying to stick us. Oh, he blew himself up. Fucking dumbass. Let's go get the money, man. Go get the money. Shit. I'm around. I'm going around. Where is my car? Oh, it's in the other side, in the other section. But I'm going in. Don't worry, Año. I'm getting my car. Over here, here's the beauty. Just go, just go. What are you doing? Oh, I got you, I got you. Your car's gonna get impounded so close anyway. We're back in the biz. Oh my god. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Really? No, wait, wait. Oh shit. Wait, let me enable it. There we go, I got it. These cops stop being assholes. Right is here. Or jump the fence. Where's your car? Is your car here? Fuck, I'm trying to take the helicopter down. It's up too high. Let's go. Oh no. Go, 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 go. Shit, shit, shit. Fuck you, man. Oh, fuck the train! Okay, go, 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 go. I'm right behind you. Oh, shit, the cops just ran their home. There's somebody there, watch out. Oh, shit. Dude, I'm fucking flying this shit. I think I just turned on my boost. He went flying too, what the fuck? Fucking helicopter. Oh shit, I got it! Oh! Oh! Oh shit, let's go, 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 go! Fuck that shit. The other guy's following you too. What does he want from us? I'm waiting for you right here. Oh, nice. Look at that stop. Keep going, keep going. Oh, shit. Oh, what the hell? Alright, let's... You got a car wash. Oh, shit, we gotta go on the side now. We're running out of the road. Oh, shit. There's gotta be a hole somewhere. I found it. Let's go. Oh, what is this place? It's scary, man. Oh, we can lose the cops right here. Oh. Your car's like smoking. What the fuck, man? Oh shit, they might find us. You gonna flick me off or what? Where you at? Where you at? Oh, you're up there. What the fuck? How do you get up there? Oh shit. Alright. is something crazy.
Go get a haircut.
Alright, let's go get a haircut. Oh shit. Oh fuck, did that even happen? Oh yeah, you will, honey. Oh yeah. She took care of me real well, honey. I love